Hey guys, welcome to video 1 out of a series of 5 video segments. We're going to go through all of our FineLine tapes based on the scale of rigidness, through our vinyls, all the way through our crepe tapes, and kind of give you guys an idea of what they're designed for, how to manipulate them and utilize them for your best optimal results. So check it out. Alright, so our orange vinyl FineLine tape. It's one of 5 videos that we're doing based on each individual products. Comes in 16th inch all the way to ½ inch. It's been a staple in the industry for many years. It's actually been around for 15 years or so, and it's really the go-to when it comes to medium scale of rigidness tapes. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about the scale of rigidness on these tapes. With orange, we are at about an 1/8 inch tape. We're at about a 3 to 3.5 inch radius. And it's very important to know what kind of radius you're dealing with or pliability you're dealing with when you're talking about vinyl tapes. As you get thinner or thicker with these vinyl tapes, the radius changes. So even though it's a medium scale of rigidness, on an 1/8 inch it may be 3 to 3.5 inch radius, but on a 16th inch it's going to be tighter radius, inch to 1.5 inches. When you get to a 1/4 inch, you're going to see about a 4 to 4.5 inch radius. And when you get to ½ inch, you're going to see about a 6 to 6.5 inch radius. 1/8 inch orange vinyl. As we said, that 3 to 3.5 inch radius is very important because we're working with a maximum amount of pliability with this tape. On 1/8 inch, 3 to 3.5 inch radius, that's going to stay down the best because of the memory that's built into the liner, the way the adhesives expand and contract, the way the vinyl expands and contract, and the natural memory. Of course, as I mentioned, 3 to 3.5 inch radius on 1/8 inch. When you get into that 16th inch, of course, you're going to be able to change that radius, inch to 1.5 inches. And when we get into 1/4 inch, our 1/4 inch, instead of 3.5 inch radius, we're going to get into about a 4 to 4.5 inch radius. On our 4 to 4.5 inch radius, ½ inch, typically to be safe on a ½ inch, because it is a fair amount of material that we're manipulating and bending, you are going to see a proper curvature at about a 6 to 6.5 inch radius. That concludes our orange tape video for pliability and scale of rigidness. Remember, it's one of 5 videos, so if you want to see what all our other tapes are about on the scale of rigidness, like our green tape, be sure to check out the next video. We'll see you around.